In a world where every swipe and click fuels our cravings for the latest device, a hidden crisis looms beneath the gleam of modern convenience. Every discarded smartphone, every abandoned laptop is not merely trash. It is a treasure trove of precious metals and untapped economic potential worth billions. Every time we upgrade, a part of our future's promise is carelessly discarded, lost to toxic recycling practices and unregulated disposal. In this journey, we uncover the devastating story of an e-waste gold rush, a modern quest where economic loss, environmental decay, and human suffering collide with hope for change. Our story begins with a striking reality. In 2022 alone, the global economy discarded electronic waste containing metals valued at approximately $91 billion. Visualize a stream of devices, fresh out of the packaging, glimmering with the promise of technology. Now imagine these devices discarded in the blink of an eye, destined to become toxic relics in sprawling landfills. Beneath the glossy veneer of innovation lies a harsh truth. The rapid pace of our technological consumption comes at an unprecedented cost. As the convenience of our modern lives escalates, so too does the danger of neglecting an environmental and humanitarian crisis that spans continents. Picture a world where the pursuit of the new and better creates a hidden stockpile of lost wealth. A single smartphone is laced with valuable metals, gold, palladium, silver, and the cumulative worth across millions of discarded devices paints a staggering picture. Yet only a fraction of this potential is ever recovered. With just 22.3% of 62 million tons of e-waste collected and properly recycled, we are witnessing an epic loss that both undermines our economy and endangers our planet. This treasure, cast aside in the name of progress, beckons us to ask, how did we allow such vast riches to slip through our fingers? As we trace the journey of these electronics, a series of high-contrast visuals emerge, reminding us of the dual nature of modernity, sparkling promise on one side and grim neglect on the other. The story of a newly purchased phone, celebrated for its sleek design and cutting-edge features, soon becomes a somber tale when we glimpse its eventual fate. Little do we know that the discarded device carries with it not only valuable metals, but also the seeds of environmental deterioration and human suffering. This juxtaposition forms the heartbeat of our investigation. The lost treasure in our drawers hides an insidious cycle that threatens lives and nature alike. The value hidden within our outdated gadgets is a silent goldmine waiting to be tapped. Yet, our present system is woefully unprepared. In countless homes, offices, and even our own closets, a modern phantasm of potential wealth lies, unseen, unfelt, and unprotected. Imagine piles of discarded devices, each a repository of economic promise, languishing in anonymity. The toll of this neglect is not just monetary, it is a relentless assault on the environment, a degradation of life. In just a few minutes, the shocking revelation of wasted treasure builds an urgency that demands our attention. The very foundations of our consumer culture are now under scrutiny, as we question if the convenience we enjoy is worth the cost of such staggering loss and irreversible damage. Turning our gaze from the hidden bounty in our drawers to the path that e-waste takes, we delve into the toxic highway, an unregulated journey that transforms potential wealth into hazardous pollution. Our investigation now leads us to remote corners of the globe where informal recycling practices have flourished under economic desperation and lax safety regulations. In many developing nations, discarded electronics are not processed with modern machinery, but are instead torn apart by hand in conditions that defy basic human decency. Imagine children playing amidst the chaos of burning wires, their laughter mingled with the scent of burning plastic and toxic fumes. In Guiyu, where 80% of local children have suffered from lead poisoning, this isn't a scene from a dystopian film, it is their everyday reality. The burning of circuit boards in open-air pits releases a toxic cocktail of harmful chemicals, including lead and mercury, seeping into the soil and water, poisoning entire communities. As we travel along this toxic highway, each frame is underscored by the heavy toll exacted by hazardous recycling practices, transforming promising technology into a death sentence for vulnerable populations. Amidst the grim reality of unregulated e-waste recycling, there is a human cost that extends far beyond environmental decay. The very people who labor in these conditions often do so under extreme duress, with little regard for their own safety or well-being. In makeshift workshops, workers, some scarcely older than children, navigate dangerous processes that expose them to lifelong health issues. The chemicals that corrode priceless metals are the same that ravage lives, impairing cognitive development, damaging respiratory systems, and etching permanent scars on communities already struggling with poverty. As we move through this landscape of despair and neglect, the visuals become slower, more deliberate, echoing the weight of each life disrupted by toxic exposure. The faces of workers, the trembling hands of parents, and the solemn eyes of children serve as stark windows into the human tragedy behind every piece of e-waste processed in unsafe conditions. With each passing moment, we are forced to reckon with the stark disparity between what modern technology promises and what its disposal truly entails, a poisoned legacy that undermines generations. Yet, even amid this darkness, there emerges a promise of redemption. A turning point surfaces as communities and innovators throughout the world begin exploring sustainable solutions to this entrenched crisis. Our journey now takes us to the cutting edge, where technology and tradition meet to forge a new path. In a bid to reclaim the treasures lost and to restore balance, pioneers are championing the concept of urban mining. Instead of following the toxic trails of the past, these modern efforts mine our cities for the valuable metals hidden in discarded electronics, employing state-of-the-art techniques that eliminate harmful practices. Today, a high-tech facility operated by a certain nation commenced the annual processing of thousands of metric tons of printed circuit boards. This urban mining effort represents not merely a technological advance, but also a paradigm shift. A movement that transforms discarded e-waste into a resource that strengthens our economy and upholds environmental integrity. Researchers at ETH Zurich have similarly developed methods to efficiently recover rare earth elements, reducing our reliance on environmentally damaging traditional mining. At the heart of these solutions is an ethos of responsibility, a call for us to rethink our relationship with technology. The remedy lies not in cleansing the damage already inflicted, but in shifting our mindset from a culture of disposability to one of repair and reuse. Imagine a future where every broken screen or obsolete circuit board is viewed not as trash, but as an opportunity to recover a part of our shared treasure. This emerging narrative of urban mining is more than a technological revolution. It is a call to action for everyday citizens, policymakers, and corporations alike. It forces us to confront the costs of our consumer habits and challenges the status quo of a system that permits widespread environmental devastation in the name of convenience. It is a compelling reminder that the innovations we celebrate every day should also embody responsibility toward our planet and its people. Let us step into the future with eyes wide open. The narrative of e-waste is not just about the decline of present prosperity, but about crafting a sustainable and just tomorrow. In neighborhoods around the globe, the seeds of change are germinating. Grassroots movements are pushing back against the tide of disposability, advocating for sustainable practices. Local repair shops and community cooperatives are emerging as vital players in this transformation. These initiatives not only help reduce strain on our planet, but also empower communities, creating new economic opportunities and fostering innovation in the realm of waste reduction. In this final act of our story, hope emerges as a guiding light. Amid the stark images of hazardous recycling sites and the heart-wrenching stories of those affected, we are reminded that change is possible, if only we choose to act. This journey through the life cycle of e-waste is, at its core, a call to re-examine our values. What if, instead of discarding the old in favor of the new, we embraced a cycle of renewal that honors both the promise of technology and the sanctity of our environment? The transformative potential of urban mining and ethical recycling is becoming undeniable. Every breakthrough in the recovery of rare metals, every innovative method to safely process e-waste, represents a beacon for a future where economic progress does not come at the expense of our planet or our people. Yet perhaps the most powerful aspect of this story is the role we all play. Each consumer has the power to reshape the narrative of e-waste. The evidence is clear. The statistics speak with a voice of urgency. Billions in lost potential, millions of tons of waste, countless lives at risk. Today, as we stand at the crossroads of innovation and environmental conservation, the call is simple and resounding. Transform the way we treat our electronics. The time has come to shift our mindset from disposability to sustainability, to embrace a future where every device is given a second chance. By supporting initiatives that champion repair, reuse, and ethical recycling, we can reclaim who we are, a society that values its resources, protects its environment, and prioritizes the well-being of every individual. This is our moment of reckoning. The hidden crisis of e-waste, once shrouded in silence, is now in the spotlight. As we learn the true cost of our digital age, we are also given the tools to reclaim what has been lost. Let the story of the e-waste gold rush inspire us to demand better, to support policies that enforce corporate accountability, to encourage innovations in urban mining, and to celebrate the ingenuity that transforms waste into wealth. Look around you at the devices that fill our lives, our smartphones, our laptops, our countless gadgets that connect us daily. In every piece lies not just convenience, but a call to stewardship, a challenge to see beyond the fleeting moments of pleasure toward a legacy of sustainability. When we choose to repair and to reuse, we honor both the promise of technology and the health of our planet. The journey we have taken today is a powerful reminder that behind each discarded electronic device is an opportunity to revolutionize our economy, to heal our environment, and to build a future defined not by waste, but by wisdom and care. It is time to rethink our relationship with electronics, support sustainable practices, repair, reuse, and demand ethical recycling solutions to protect our environment and future generations.